Tina?
If I get stuck at that time, I will share my time with you, and I will go everywhere you wanna go. Hold my hand and grow old with me. We'll share each other's dreams and make them come true. If I could start back that time, I will grow old with you. If I could start back that time, I will die with you.
My cousin brother, hope you like this one. This was actually composed by your friend. Yes, by your friend, DYYG Ruiz. Yes. And of course, sung by me. Of course, by your beloved cousin also. Hope you like this one. We've made this for you, for for our tribute and remembrance for you. Yes.